how to use definite article the in English. Okay, many times we get confused while using the where to use ARN or where to use the. Okay, with simple grammatical rules we are going to learn about it. So first of all, when we already know about it, see, when you are talking about something which you know very well, okay, which you are already familiar with, we use the. For example, the food was very nice. You just went to a restaurant, you had a food there, you liked it, very delicious, you know about it. So that's why you do not say a food, you say the food, because you know that food. And next, the dog is very aggressive. You have seen a dog and you know the dog, that dog is very aggressive. Aggressive is nothing but attacking, and you say a dog is very aggressive. No, the dog is very aggressive, because you know the dog very well. And the boy is very intelligent. You know a boy, maybe your neighbor, maybe your own family member, he is very intelligent. That time you say the boy is very intelligent, because you know that boy. And the problem was solved. You had a problem and you solved that problem. Now everything is okay. So that's why you know that. So the problem was solved. And the book is very informative. You just read a book and you found very helpful information in that. So you know about that book. You say the book is very informative. So very simple. When you are talking about something you know very well, already you know. So you use the, not ARN. The rule number second, with unique things. What do you mean by unique? One and only. See, that kind of only one thing should exist in this world. There should not be another that kind of one. So when we mention about those kind of things, we use the. For example, you see, sun, moon, sky, earth, Jupiter, Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Mysore Palace, some of the examples I have got here. We don't have another kind of these things. For example, you see, there is only one sun, one moon, one earth, one Jupiter. So that's why the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the Jupiter, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Mysore Palace, because there is no another kind of this. You can tell me that there are different palaces, but Mysore Palace there is only one. So that's why we have got, see, for example, the sun rises in the east. The sun, not a sun. Okay. The earth is a unique planet. The earth, not a earth. The Taj Mahal is a magnificent structure. Magnificent is nothing but very attractive. Okay. So why I used this? Because here these are unique. Okay. So one more thing cannot be found. So I used the with them. Rule number 3, with superlative adjectives. You can ask me, what is superlative? See, adjectives have 3 forms. For example, you say good, better, best, tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, shortest, large, larger, largest. So we are not talking about first 2 forms of degrees of comparison. Third form, that is called superlative. So best, the tallest, the shortest, the largest, the most brilliant, the most intelligent. Some words do not change. For example, brilliant and intelligent, we have to use more and most. See, with superlative adjectives, before them we use the. See, for example, he is the best student in the class. I cannot say he is a best student. Wrong. He is the best student in the class. This is the tallest building in the city. Okay, this is the tallest building in the city, not a tallest. He is the most brilliant scientist. See, here also most I use it, the I use it. So like this, with superlatives adjectives also we use the. And the 4th rule says, with rivers, seas, oceans and mountain ranges, before their names we use the. See, for example, the Nile, the Ganga, the Amazon, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Alps, etc. See, rivers name, Nile, Ganga, Amazon, these are all rivers. I used the. Arabian Sea, I used the. Indian Ocean, I used the. Okay. And mountain range, Himalaya, I used the. So like this, before the rivers, seas, oceans and mountain ranges, we have some examples here. See, the Nile is the longest river in the world. So with river name I used the. Second one, The Indian Ocean has many islands. See, I used the with Indian Ocean. And the Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range. Here also, mountain range, I used the. So this is how we use the definite article the. So let's take a quick recall. Number one, when we use the, when we are talking about something which we already know very well. Okay. Second rule, with unique things, one and only that kind of things are which are existing in the world. So when we are talking about those kind of things, we use the. And thirdly, with superlative adjectives, we use the. And with rivers, seas, oceans, and mountain ranges, when we are talking about before those nouns, we use the. Okay. So far we learnt how to use, where to use, and how to use the. And at last, I am going to tell you a small tip. Okay, where you should not use the. Okay, where not to use the. Okay, the should not be used with the names of persons and places. Okay, that should not be used. And generally, when you are talking about something, you should not use. And for example, generally means I go to school every day. This is a general sentence. There you should not use the. I go to the school every day. No, I go to school every day. Oh, okay. Like this, I work in a company. Okay, there I work in the company, not necessary. Okay, because there generally you are telling. And also when you are with country names also, you do not use the. But remember, countries like United Nations of America, when that United Nations like that we use, no, United Arab Emirates and United Nations of America, in such with such words we can use the. Okay, this is all about definite article the. I hope you will find this video helpful. So if you like this video, share this video with your friends. Okay, those it is useful, and also subscribe to my channel. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.